And why do you not come Delhi first of all? Tell me. Really, is my right question.
Actually, I have my college. That's
How are you?
I am fine.
He's not fine. I am. A.B. Prasad. Are you pregnant?
Of course.
Really?
Can you speak with me?
You cannot speak actually, right? You're afraid, I think.
What's your name?
No, sir.
No, sir. Please go. Say sorry.
it's my mistake. I'm very.
I am very. I am. What about him?
He also waits.
Really?
Yes.
अरे क्या हो गया जब हो गया तो जाओ I will ask some of the questions you have to ignore using I and मैं
I is a particular word.
you can answer by any other sentences but you have to ignore using I alright you come here daily you come here or not
Of course.
someone is telling actually don't do that right what do you like
Flavor.
you like flower
Yes.
no sit down all right you have to sit down you're out of the game right need to you like boy or girl
Both.
both
Yeah.
no
Of course, sir.
I think you get absent every day
I present every day. Oh,
please sit down I Dipti what is that that red color what is that
chair.
no that's
Chair.
a chair and why do you not come Delhi first of all tell me really is my right question
Actually, I have my college. That's
please chair is here I have a college how are you
I am fine.
he's not fine I am fine please sit down somewhere right all right you're Sophia right yes hey lagai Sophia yes say Sophia yes not Sophia Croisi your name is Sophia
This is Sophia.
oh yesterday your father called really I mean why did he call tell me you don't talk
Don't know?
don't know can you slap boys come on yes hurry up can you slap boys
Slap,
Yes.
slap.
slap no you have to say complete sentence can you slap or not no can you slap or not
Slap.
really no complete sentence my goodness what tough boy Sachin
Yes.
your body looks like battak you know no do you know battak
No.
you know
No.
no okay no problem no अरे वो वाला Canada I understand that right you are very smart
Of course.
really
Of course.
come here
Yes.
you know what yes sir. Bandu you have to sit down Bandu everything is good right
You are right, sir.
but you are not good
Good, sir.
really
Really.
tell me one of the most important thing that you like
Traveling.
traveling
Yeah.
when did you travel last time
Maharashtra.
really
Yes.
Yeah, hold my hand. My goodness, will you marry me? Don't tell. You sit down. Will you marry me?
Nothing.
Nothing? No problem, don't marry. All right. You know, you look like Australian. Are you from Australia?
Nothing.
Nothing? Everything, nothing. What is some? Hurry, say something. You're from Australia. You're not speaking anything. You have to say something, right?
No.
No, sir. Please, all right. Kana Chana, hold this. Tell me, if you have to beat Neha and if you have to kidnap Neha, what will you do first?
Asking money.
Huh?
Asking money.
You will ask
for
money.
Yeah.
What will you say? Say something. Say something to Neha.
Neha, you are in my under.
You are
And-
my under. Okay.
I kidnap you.
I kidnap you. Sit down. Sit down. You have to ignore using I. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
No, sir,
Sit
I'm
down.
fine.
You said I'm fine.
No, sir,
I know. Please come here. What is your name? Your name is Aslam, right? Good. Introduction दीजिए अपना.
My name is Muhammad Aslam. I am from.
I am from. हमें इंट्रोडक्शन चाहिए ही नहीं था भैया. I am from. Good. Wow. इनको पकड़ा दे भाई. All right. Hey, without belt you are here?
Yes.
How sasta you are. How sasta you are. Why? A.B. Prasad. Are you pregnant?
Of course.
Really? Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Why?
course.
And how? When it happened? How it happened?
Because of you.
मुझसे भी ज्यादा अल्ट्रा है. कह रहा I'm pregnant because of you. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. No, he said only because of you. अरे Benny, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Of course. Of course.
When happened?
Okay.
When did it happen?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, sir.
Nothing.
So actually, Cab sir never talked to you. Cab sir, you know why are you blaming Cab sir here? Tell me. Yes.
All right.
No, I know everything is all right, but after few months, everything will become not all right. Right? After how many months you will be mum?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Means everything is fine or not? Are you okay or not? Tell me.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Okay, sir.
Really?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, go back.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
What did you say?
Thank you, sir.
No,
Thank you, sir.
you did not say. You said.
Of course.
You abused me.
I said.
Really? I said. Bye. Sit down. Chandni. Do you like Chandni ki raat?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you eat in the morning? Jaldi say. Come on. Hurry up.
And anything.
You ate anything or everything?
Everything.
Okay. Where is Shalini?
Here.
Where?
Here.
She is not Shalini.
See, yeah,
she's
see, Salni, yeah. Yeah, I say, yeah, see, Salni.
Yeah, she is Shalini.
I say,
Okay, who is Anju Daima here? I said. My goodness. You said I said.
yeah, but
I
want to.
want to.
No, no. I want to tell. But I not want to use.
So don't use I, na? You have to ignore using I. Sit down, please. Right. Please come. You sit down. Look at her. Look. Say something. Hi.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Sit down. आप तो ऐसे ही चलेंगे. बड़ी सस्ती. Hello.
Hello.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not okay, but
I'm not.
I am. Why are you using I? Why Abhava? Please come here. Hey, what happened? Who has kissed you so much? No. I said who kissed you, but no. All right. Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me.
The way you're touching me, it looks like Marjawa. Are you okay?
I'm
I am okay. How sasta you are. He is so. Neha. Neha, please. Please walk. You're walking or running?
So walking?
Really?
Of course.
Okay, come here. Look at her. What do you think? She is so beautiful?
Definitely she is.
Really?
Of course.
You are beautiful or she is beautiful?
Of course she is beautiful.
You're not beautiful.
Uh,
Yes! You're not beautiful, right?
no.
No.
Sir, I'm saying nope. Nope. And OPE.
Really? Swear by God.
No.
Swear by God.
sir.
Okay, please. I don't know, you have to talk.
Okay.
अभी तो बची है ना. Ask his name.
What's your name?
What?
What's your name?
Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Of course, sir.
Talk more.
So, do you think you're confident enough?
Yeah.
Can you speak with me?
You cannot speak actually, right? You're afraid, I think.
What's your name?
No, sir.
No, sir. Please go. All right. How cute you are, guys. बहुत सस्ते सस रहे. Guys, activity is being changed. Activity थोड़ा सा बदलाव की गई है, guys. वक्त को मद्देनजर रखते हुए थोड़ा बदलाव किया गया है. क्या बदल सकते हैं हम लोग? Can we change or not?
All right.
Can we change? We can we change or not?
It can be changed.
Really?
Really.
Yes. So बदलाव ये किया गया है कि इस एक सेंटेंस बोला जाएगा, इनको पॉजिटिव में करना होगा या नेगेटिव में करना होगा. अगर ये कर ले गए 5 सेंटेंस तो जीत जाएंगे. राइट?
Right.
ओके. सो पॉजिटिव का मैं बोलूंगा, आपको नेगेटिव करना, ठीक है ना? लेट मी गो. लेट मी गो इसको नेगेटिव में करना है. सच्ची नेगेटिव में तो क्या कहेंगे?
Let me not go.
Somewhere it is right? Okay. I should believe in it. Negative.
There is a word I cannot use.
Oh my goodness! How cute you are! How cute you are! Sit down. Hello, Rishabh, don't fight. You know what, Nitish Kumar? There is one Nitish Kumar in Bihar as well. He is very dalbadalu. Are you? Are you dalbadalu?
Of course not.
Really?
Sure.
That's beautiful. Day before yesterday, you came on the stage and said that my girlfriend has left me, right? What actually happened? Can you please explain about that?
We can explain.
No, she was not my girlfriend. How can we explain actually, right? She was yours.
Actually,
Can you explain or not?
we can explain.
No, I can't explain. How we? Girlfriend आपकी भी कैसे?
Said in this sentence, we in the place of
What?
the I can.
I can please. Hi, please sit down. All right, Mr. Kuldeep. You're very cool. No hot, please. No hot. So, imagine that you are in Kullu Manali. Where?
Kullu Manali.
And you are walking with your dada, okay?
Okay.
Who?
Dada.
Really? Dada.
Of
Who?
course.
Dada. You are with?
What, sir?
You are with?
With
No, you were with whom? Dada ji?
Dadaji.
Okay.
With
I'm your dada now. Okay. Beta, how are you?
fine.
Okay. Are you happy with dada?
With Dada happy.
What do you do in Lucknow?
English is spoken.
What is that?
Because it is here and speak everywhere.
Do you speak or not?
Yes.
Really? All right. You like pink color, I think. Of course. Really? Pink color? Pink color? Pink color?
Of course.
Really? तो हाथ क्यों ना ऐसे पकड़ रहे हैं आप हमारा? छोड़िए. Exactly. Everything is okay?
Okay.
Really?
Really.
Let's go on the stage and speak. Can you speak or not?
You speak.
I can speak. Can you speak?
You
Can you speak or
You
not?
can speak.
I can speak. Can you speak?
Of course.
Can you? Yes, man. Come on. All right.
All right.
You want to marry with a girl or a boy?
Girl.
Really? Oh, why? Or a pink color? Yes, please go. All right, Shalu. Yesterday we had one activity, right?
Yes, sir.
And then... How sasti she is. Please. Just imagine your name is Bhayankar, okay? Yes. But your name is?
My name is Shankar.
Sankar. If your name is Bhayankar, will you like it? Of course.
Just not like that.
Just not like that.
Yes.
It's okay. So yesterday you came or not? In the batch?
Of course.
You came? No.
Of course. Can.
You came? What time did you come here? What time?
5 to 7.
No, your batch is I think 7 to 9.
No, my bad.
No. Kev. How sasta people are, right? Please hold this. Your name is Kev. Your name is Kev or not? Your name is Kev?
Right.
Come here. There are so many people. Who is the best? I think he is the best, right?
Right, sir.
What about him?
He also waits.
Really?
Yes.
अरे क्या हो गया? जब हो गया तो जाओ. जैसे लग रहा है कि अंटार्कटिका में आके फंस गए हैं. Alright. Tabriz, please come here. أنت كيف الحال?
كويس.
أنت معلوم عربي?
معلوم عربي.
Really?
Really.
Yes.
Of course.
Okay, fine. So you came in Lucknow, right? You came.
Of course.
You came or not? I came.
Of course came.
I came.
Of course came.
Someone told me that you cannot speak English. Can you speak English or not?
Can you speak English?
Really?
Yes.
Who is teaching you? Abhiji! You know, whenever you speak, I don't know from where you bring that energy. So can you please tell me from where do you bring that energy?
Energy is come.
Energy is come? The sentence is not right.
Yeah, it's
no.
passive voice.
No.
Passive voice. In passive voice.
You said no. You said no actually, that's why. You said no, it's a passive voice. You don't know how to hold hand.
Acha, oh, hold.
Yes. I love you, Didi.
Don't love.
Why, Didi? Why?
Because of...
My goodness, how sasti she is. Sit down, please. All right. Aaj winner. Hello, please come. You come from Himachal Pradesh, right?
Right.
Okay, Himachal Pradesh is good place for honeymoon, I think so, right?
I think so.
इतने प्यारे हैं आप. All right. Who made a mistake?
Of course.
No, who made a mistake?
Of course.
Of course.
Rupali.
Okay, fine. Anybody from Maharashtra, please? Bandhu. He's from Maharashtra. Can you speak Marathi or not? Yes, sir. Can you speak?
Speak.
Okay. If you have to say that you are very good girl in Marathi, what will you say? What? Tu kon chani kani ho? This is right sentence?
Right.
No,
right.
this is not right.
Right.
This is not right.
Right.
Really? Really?
Really.
Okay, fine. You say you are a very good person.
In Marathi?
हाँ, in Marathi.
तुम्ही खूप चांगले व्यक्ती आहात.
ये तो बंगाली है. It's Bangla.
नो
No, please no. Please sit down. Are please sit down. She's already failed. Are she came here, right? Yes.
It's your mistake. Thinking mistake.
My mistake. It's your mistake.
It's your mistake.
No, it's not my mistake. Who said?
Thinking mistake.
Who said?
It's Tehzeeb said.
Really?
Of course.
Yesterday she was struggling a lot. She struggled and how much money did you earn?
Tehzeeb earned the money, 42 rupees.
No.
Yes, sir. Of course, sir.
Okay. Who earned a lot?
According to my Salu.
According to my Shalu?
No, according to me, Salu.
Shalu earned. How much did she earn?
She earned around 190 rupees.
Really, Shalu? No. Say sorry.
It's my mistake. I'm very.
I am very. I am. Please. 3 people, come on. Are you okay? She's abusing me. She said Kaifo Kamina. She said Kaifo Kamina. Why did you say that? Why did you say Kaifo Kamina?
Actually, not said.
You said. I listened.
Actually-
She said yes.
No, sir.
Did you listen? Did you listen or not? She said.
of course.
Don't listen, people. Right? Come on. Okay. Imagine if an uncle comes to you and says, "Give me a contact number." Will you give or not?
Of course, give you.
I'm not uncle. Oh my God. Uncle is asking your contact number. Will you give or not? Yes or no?
Of course, give.
You will give. Why? Uncle is a stranger for you. Why will you give number?
Because he needs your contact number.
My contact number or your contact number? Okay, yesterday did you participate in activity or not? I think you did not come yesterday. Why are you getting absent?
Participate. Also participate.
Really?
Really?
She participated? She participated or not?
Sir, don't know.
Who don't know? You don't know?
It is from my side.
No, actually she came yesterday or not? Where does she live? Do you know where she lives?
Yep.
Yep. Do you know where she lives? Come here, Diksha. They are very dangerous. Can you beat them? Can you beat? Beat them.
course.
You can beat. Beat. Come on, slap them. 2 सेकेंड रुक गए आप लोग तो सब फेल हो जाएगा. 2 सेकेंड, right? Who is Prime Minister of this country? Really? No.
Really.
Okay, who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Tell me, hurry up. Come on. Do you like him? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Please sit down. Yeah, sir. Okay, fine. Do you come here daily, guys?
Yeah.
Whose teacher will talk? Cap, sir. Where's Cap, sir?
Capsule is here.
No, this is not Cap, sir. This is not Cap.
Of course,
I'm Cap.
yes, sir.
Are you also Cap? You're Cap, I think, right?
Of course.
Really?
Yeah.
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 My goodness. Okay, fine. Tell me that where are you from?
From Bihar.
Where is Bihar?
Here in Bihar.
Here you are? You are like this, like this. Why? Why are you like this? Is everything okay or not? Is everything okay?
Okay.
How many birthdays do you have? Do you have birthdays or not? How many
Yeah.
birthdays? Yes. How many birthdays do you have?
2.
Complete sentence. How many birthdays do you have? I have 5 birthdays, right? Uriye? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. No?
Of course.
She is characterless, guys. Yes. Yes. She is characterless.
Maybe.
Maybe? No. बाप रे बाप, ये लोग बड़े जो है मामले हैं. जो जीता वही सिकंदर. हम कुछ नहीं करें, आप लोग आपस में लड़िए. Bring one certificate.
Masuda, are you crazy girl?
No, Masuda is not.